In the past year, Trellis supported 14,000 people through 520 gardening projects, enhancing health and well-being, with our services costing just £17.85 per person. With this modest funding, we provide impactful support, and with our support, our network ensures these benefits reach those who need it most. The rise in social and green prescribing highlights gardening's therapeutic potential. It underscores the importance of Trellis's work in developing quality training, professional development, and safeguarding vulnerable people through structured, reliable interventions. The year was busier than ever. And of course, there was amazing feedback for all our services, with beneficiaries confirming that therapeutic gardening and our support is valued and transformational. As well as hands-on workshops for many support groups, live online activity demonstrations and seasonal training helped groups to continue gardening all year round. Now in its fourth year, the International Seminar Series was once again a huge success. And we were delighted to have the return of our much-loved annual conference. "185 queries from the network were answered by our team, and our in-depth support enabled 621 more people to garden in their community. "70 new videos were added to our YouTube channel, providing inspiration, learning from around the world, and good practice sharing. A crucial part of our work this year has been working towards the launch of the first Professional Development Award in therapeutic horticulture. Another huge step in advancing professional standards has been our work with key partners to create a new UK Association for Social and Therapeutic Horticulture. Trellis is committed to raising awareness, developing professional standards and qualifications, and supporting practitioners with ongoing training and resources. Our thanks to everyone who's been part of our work in the past year. We could not do it without you.